What? No, just take a guess.
Sorry.
I don't know. I don't have a cover for it, so we'll go and find the cover first. The case we've got. This is this one. But I love this phone. So guys, hi, welcome back again. And we are getting a coffee. It's just outside our hotel. No, next to our hotel, right? It's next to Marriott in the Yeongdeungpo area, Yeongdeungpo. And we have something special to unbox right now. Let's see what it is.
You want to see what?
Yes. I mean, you already are seeing the video, so you know. But yes, so we are unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max here. So guys, we'll be unboxing it. Yeah, we'll be unboxing it. Yeah, and this is the camera. This is the phone. The last iPhone I used was iPhone XR. It was good, but it had one issue. No, it was good, but it had only one good thing. Like going for it, its battery life was very good. So I don't know if you have owned the iPhone XR. It was, I think, 4-5 years back. But I might also give it to in the future to my brother. He might like it better. But for now, the only reason I need it because I need a phone. Currently I have a OnePlus. It's a very basic Android phone, and I will keep it. But I'm just going to use it for my photos and stuff like that. Telling you, I'm not doing this for the video, or I'm not just trying to bluff. But I love this phone. I lost its charger in Vietnam, but I love the fact that it can charge in 20 minutes. And now we're going to unbox it. We bought this from the IFC mall. Any big stores in Seoul, you can buy it from the Myeongdong one. You can buy it from Hongdae. You can buy it from, I think, many retailers. There's a retailer called A Star or something, like at store. So yeah, and we're going to open it now.
Usually I did this like I'm actually okay. I think
Dipshika does not know how to open it. Yes. Rakho na, niche rakho na.
I don't know how to open.
So you open it like this, you peel it.
Oh.
Niche rakho na, just keep it down. Yes.
Don't do what I was doing.
So yes. And then you open it on the down one. Yes. Guys, it's done. No. Now you keep it on the row.
Okay.
Now you flip it, yes. And guys, here it is. Yay.
I hope this phone brings a lot of good news and a lot of success to you.
The color. And guys, we have it. We have it open.
Congratulations.
So yeah, we have it. I don't think it's that big anymore.
The color is so
Oh,
gorgeous.
it's not that big yet. Yay! So guys, we have it, and I don't know. I don't have a cover for it, so we'll go and find the cover first. So guys, we'll go in the market down and we'll find the cover first. It's not that big actually. I thought it was going to be big. So yeah, and you get this kind of thing in the box. Is kind of being inside, and I'll check the serial number and all. I bought it from the Apple store, you know. But being Indian, you have to really make sure because it's a big purchase. So yeah, cheers guys, and so welcome back. Guys, and I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. There's a new iPhone releasing today, the iPhone SE, iPhone 16 SE, and I think it has pretty good specs, like I think comparable. But I still think the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a better buy because it's gonna last you longer if you plan to keep your phone for longer. If you plan to keep your phone for a few years, I think it is going to be the best deal around. And yes, I know iPhone SE is also a good option, but in a perspective of like longer term, I think the Pro Max is a good one. Guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm just gonna show you how the hunting for accessories went in the underground market, and I hope you enjoy it. So back to the video. So guys, hi again. So after Starbucks and unboxing the phone, we have come to the night market. We have come to the market inside the Yeongdeungpo.
Station underground.
Yeah, station underground. So every subway station here has a market like this. And I think we have searched few places, so it's already getting closed. So yes guys. And And this is the case we've got. This is the cheapest, I think. Nothing is more cheaper than this. Sorry, this one. So yeah, this is the cheapest you will find here if you are looking to buy a phone and put it. And yeah, this is the tempered glass, right?
Sorry, 30,000.
Yeah, so we just put it. And this is the tempered glass. Yes.
हाँ ये तो वहाँ पे तो वो 11D तक पहुँच गए दिल्ली में, 4D में.
Yeah. So guys, this is the best it can be.
No.
Ask me.
No.
What? No, just take a guess. This country offers something for everyone, and I will try to bring you more videos from Korea. If you're planning a trip to Korea, even in the winters or in the coming days, in the coming months, like in the cherry blossom season, I think you will love this city. You will really like this country. There is hardly any like we out of like 100 interactions, maybe 1 or 2 were like not so good, but apart from that, it was all good. And yes, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. You will love having more content. I will try to make it as real as it is. And Gamsamira, like and subscribe, and I know you will travel there next time. See you. Bye bye.